Okay, today I'm doing a quick review on Honeybee throat lozenges. You can get these at your local grocery store, and you can get them also in your health food store. Basically, what they are is a throat lozenge that's made from pure honey, and it also has a little bit of menthol and eucalyptus, and 99% of it is honey. So, and they come in a couple of different. This is the original. And this one here is the lemon flavored. They both taste the same. I don't really taste the difference between the lemon or the original. So, but I'll open this up and show you what it looks like. So here it is. Here's the throat lozenge itself. Hopefully you can see that. And taste-wise, tastes like a regular cough drop, but that's just made of honey. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below.